Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate shipment profitability report based on freight, prepaid or collect in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Accounts module. Here we have to choose Job Reports to Accounts menu. We have to search for the report here. Just click on the report. Now fill the date range as per your requirement. We can choose the freight mode here. After filling all the details, click on Submit button. Now the report will get generated. If you want to download the report, then click on Options. Here we can see the download option available. Click on it. Now choose the format. Once after your click, the report will get downloaded. If we open the Excel file, then we can view the report downloaded. Hope now you got an idea about how to generate shipment profitability report based on freight, prepaid or collect in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.